Welcome to Racold. Through this video, we will understand how to install Racold water heater correctly. So let's start. Your Racold water heater comes in a box along with a safety valve and a manual. Let's get ready with tools and accessories. You will need pipes, spanners, drill machine, hammer and Teflon tape. You need fasteners for storage water heater, Racold plug and nail or screw for instant water heater. Let's start the installation. Make holes in the wall as per the given table in the manual. Apply Teflon tape at the connections of water heater. For storage water heater, insert the fastener and nail it with hammer. For instant water heater, insert Racold plug and nail or screw. After this, hammer it. Fix the water heater bracket. Fasten the inlet and outlet connections to flexible pipes with spanners. Don't over-tight it to avoid pipe breakage. Don't connect the power plug. Start the water flow inside Racold water heater. The water should be completely filled, and this should be ensured by checking the water flow through outlet tab. Now switch on the power by connecting the plug. Your Racold water heater is ready for use. Care tips for Racold water heater. Don't switch on the water heater without checking water coming from outlet. Switch off the heater when not in use. Get water heater serviced from authorized Racold service center. Use Racold genuine spare parts. Get water heater cleaned at least once in a year through authorized Racold service center. Issued in public interest by Racold. Racold is India's largest provider of water heating solutions.